Anthony Reid, coach of Waterford High School.
All right, Mr. Reid, I lost today 2-0 deficit against a tough KC team who is actually going in looking a bit upset based off their last result. Looking forward to face another Georgia team today. Maybe coming at you guys like pre-preparation for that game. How you think or evaluate your team performance today?
Yeah, man, well, despite the result today, I think my team played excellent today. We have nothing to be ashamed of. We played a quality KC team who, they have firepower from left, right and centre. Our team is not so strong as them, but believe me, the guys really put out a fight today. They did put the ball on the ground and they did play some good football today.
Your team showed a lot of spirit because I was over on the side and said even seconds out before the final whistle, the guys are still hustling, bustling. Is that the whole essence of what you're trying to build here? That camaraderie and also the fight together with this team?
Yes, we're trying to build that culture with the team, and then based on this game, we know that we had to get a good result. Even if we lose today, we have to ensure that we don't lose too badly because the window for us to go through is still very slim.
Okay.
So as long as we don't lose big today, we still have a chance.
Still expecting something. Still looking for that 1% chance.
Yeah, you see, I'm never giving up. We never give up, and it's a realize how the team play. The team play because of our coach. We never give up. We go to the last. So even though we have one game leave, even though with a very small window, I'm still hoping. We never know what can happen with the games today and come tomorrow.
All right, coach, and good game again and good spirit from the players. I'll see you guys again next time.
Thank you, bro.